Are you the owner of a property in San Antonio that's seen better days? Maybe it's in need of some serious renovations? Well, consider yourself fortunate because Wheeloo Investments is actively seeking distressed properties in your area. Why distressed properties, you ask? It's simple. Wheeloo and our investors thrive on transforming these properties into stunning homes. Thanks to our extensive network of top-tier home improvement and interior design companies across America, we can effortlessly give your property the makeover it deserves. Say goodbye to the stress of dealing with building violations and the headache of managing a problematic property. Instead, imagine cashing in on the extra money from selling your newly revitalized property and getting back to enjoying life. Ready to take the next step? Give us a call at 502-503-5021. Our dedicated customer service representatives are here and eager to assist you. We can't wait to chat with you.